Right now, we're observing a notable spike in world sentiment, with a score of plus 0.12 and a momentum of plus 0.62 over the last 24 hours. This shift is significant, especially when you consider how it contrasts with the historical baseline of muted sentiment we've seen recently. What's driving this momentum? It's the emergence of 20 semantic clusters that indicate a rising global optimism, likely fueled by recent geopolitical developments or economic forecasts. With our World Sentiment API, you receive not just the sentiment score, but also a nuanced breakdown of trends, allowing you to act on this information quickly. Imagine integrating this into your trading system to adjust your strategies based on real-time sentiment shifts. This could be the edge you're looking for. Explore more at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.